We want to thank you for joining us today. We are at Lake Murray, Oklahoma, which is near, if you're a country music fan, near Blake Shelton's place. Got out and did a little fishing, some kayaking, and Lake Murray is about halfway between Dallas and Oklahoma City. It is one of the largest parks, I guess, in Oklahoma. And Lake Murray is surrounded by the Lake Murray State Park, and there is a scenic highway that goes all the way around the lake. Several places that you can camp all around the lake. Has a big ATV park out there. There's also a lodge. It has 32 rooms. They have 56 cabins for rent. They also have something real unique that's called a floating cabin, kind of like the Tahiti of Oklahoma, if you will. So we got out, did a little kayaking. Laura gets tired. You'll see I can pull her with my kayak by tying a rope to it. I was really glad to have Laura out with me today and out enjoying this great weather. As we were out kayaking around, we saw some floats out in the water, and some of the kids over at the little swimming area, I guess their floats had got caught by the wind and blew out. You can also see the RV parking area over there. They have 30, 50 amp and water. If you want to do septic, you'll have to go and dump your septic tanks. They also have a shower house with hot shower. I believe it's about 25 cents for 2 minutes of shower time, so bring some quarters with you. We went around to several of the parks. They all have great areas to park and to camp, and it's first come, first served, so you want to make sure that you get there early if you want a good camping spot getting down by the water. I believe ours was number 25, and it was right on the water there. You can just see it over my right shoulder. And had a really good time here. It's some good fishing. The water's relatively clear. The weather was great. The sun felt good. The water wasn't too cold, so it was just really a good time to be out on the lake, out on the water, and enjoying some time outdoors. So we did some a little bit of fishing there while we were there, and of course, you know, have our little campfire. This is a great place to catch sunsets if you're over on this side of the lake, which would be the east side of the lake. It's called Martin's Landing. There's also Pecan Grove, Duke's Forest, Elephant Rock, Cedar Cove, Tips Point. Elephant Rock's kind of neat. It's got a big rock out in the water. That's why they called it Elephant Rock. They have tent camping, RV camping, boat ramps, picnic tables, pavilions, playgrounds, several trails, walking trails, hiking trails. Like I say, big, right across from where we're at here is a big ATV park. And I'm just going to be quiet now and let you enjoy the sunset and campfire. I want to thank everybody for joining us today. And, of course, always give us a thumbs up if you like what you see. We want to thank you for watching today. We really do appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. Please put your comments below. Any ideas, things you'd like to see, just comments about the videos. Much appreciated. Join us on Instagram at just.let.me.travel. And as always, you know, please ring the bell, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so that you can be notified of new videos. We will be traveling and doing RV renovations and just whatever we can come up with. Who knows? So new videos every week. And again, thank you so very much for joining us today.